topsy-turvy? Are you wasting money and just thinking about skincare the wrong way around? I am utterly convinced that really beautiful skin starts at the beginning step, and for some reason this is the one that people are just not as interested in. If you keep spending your time going on a holy grail search for beautiful skin, my guess is you are running to moisturizer counters, serum counters, and not the one where I think you should start. It starts at the beginning with cleansing. Totally underestimated washing your face. Who knew? It starts with washing your face. Step one, definitely the most important. If you do not properly clean your face, everything else you do afterwards is just pointless. You are pouring expensive serums and expensive moisturizers onto dirty, grotty skin, and then get surprised if they don't work. So it couldn't be more logical to start with cleansing. I tell all of my spas to do this, I tell all of my therapists to do this, and I get that coming from a product brand, which I technically am, it is odd because there's definitely more money to be made in the serum and the moisturizer market than there is in cleansing, because cleansers tend to be a lower priced item. But we and myself are about truth and nothing but the truth, and if there is anything you don't like about your skin, let's take it back and start with cleansing and get that part right first. It isn't something that you just do before the real work in skincare kicks in. It is the very, very first crucial step to make sure that your skincare is working. You need the right ingredients so that they are genuinely cleansing and getting all the makeup off and getting all the debris and dirt that you've collected around the day. You need to make sure that you are really, really massaging your face, so you're bringing blood there. And if you get cleansing right and you get the right ingredients, then you can be nourishing your skin even from stage one. So you're actually helping in the moisturizing and the anti-aging process. You can calm skin, you can get a really deep cleanse, and with all the massage work you can do, you can be bringing blood to your face, literally aiding cell regeneration, boosting oxygen and nutrients in, and you remove all the dirt, the debris from the day, and you ensure that all of your next products are doing a good job. And also, if it's a morning cleanse, you can literally make sure that your makeup is going on better. It's so important. Now, quick things so you know if you're doing it wrong. This is the kind of quick checklist to have a look by. So your cleansing is not right if your face ever feels tight straight away after, or 5-10 minutes after. I would suggest if you're just doing one cleanse, that's not right. We're going to do an episode on double cleansing and why you need to do it twice. If your cleanser foams, then it is going to have something like sodium lauryl sulfate, propylene glycol, and whilst the bubbles might feel good to you because they psychologically make you think you're cleansing, they're probably not doing your actual skin any good and probably drying it. So, other one, if it's stinging your eyes, not good, something is wrong. And if you're having to use loads of it, if you get through your cleansers really quickly, then I would suggest that you possibly haven't got the right one for yourself. And if you look on the Inky list, on the ingredient list, and you can see paraffin liquid, sodium lauryl sulfate, parabens, PEGs, then I personally think I would give that one up. And going back to the first one again, it's about tightness. The biggest telltale sign for me that a cleansing routine is not right is tightness. Squeaky clean skin is just not a thing. Whoever said that should be shot. It's a really bad idea, and I know a lot of you love it, but it's just so bad for your face. So we need to find you the right cleanser. So step one is mentally realizing how important cleansing is. Then we need to find you the right cleanser. There are loads of different types. So oil cleansers, balm cleansers, cream cleansers, micellar waters, face wipes, and I will take all of these in another episode and discuss through which ones certain skin types should use, which ones should be avoided for certain skin types, which ones do the best job. Like, there are different types and there are different skins. There is no straight answer here as to which one it should be. And at the end of your day, you've got different things on your skin. So some people wear makeup, some people don't. Some people wear tons of eye makeup, some people don't. So we've got to look at it in a little bit of detail as to which ones are going to work best for you and which ones are going to work best for your skin. But in today's episode, and why I've recorded this for you, is I just really want you to think about whether your emphasis in your routine needs to be adjusted slightly, and the thing you should be most excited about is the cleansing. You want to rush to the sink and feel like, yes. Now, see, I said sink. Face wipes are going to get their own whole episode. Face wipes are not on the list. You'll hear me repeatedly say this, and you'll hear lots of therapists repeatedly say this. They just don't, A, do their job well enough. You're essentially moving makeup and dirt around your face, and the list of ingredients in them is not good. Like, stop being lazy, stand at the sink and wash your face. It's really not that difficult, and a few years back that was an accepted way to wash your face as opposed to lying in your bed just wiping yourself. Like, so that's my kind of plea. We're going to get rid of the face wipes, and I'll tell you a lot more detail in our face wipe episode about why you need to ditch those. So what I really, really, really want you to do today is I want you to get washed and really take a little bit more time using your cleansers, massage and move your face around, and really enjoy that part of the routine, because truthfully, the beginning part is the most important. And for some reason, a lot of brands don't want to tell you that. I want you to stop wasting money on skincare products that don't work, possibly because they're just going onto a not particularly well cleansed, dirty face, even if you think it is. So that's our plan. Let's rethink cleansing and how important it is. Thank you so much for listening, and look out for the detailed episode on different types of cleansers and which one you should pick.